Now this is a case of right side testicular abscess with testicular infarct. The testis has become smaller, shrunken and heterogeneous in texture. This round shape area, what we see here, is the right testis, which has undergone atrophic changes due to chronic infarct, loss of blood supply secondary to the epididyma orchitis in past, severe epididyma orchitis in past. You can see the texture of this right testis. It is very much ill-defined, and the margins of the testis are also thickened, hyperechoic, and inside the parenchyma is heterogeneous. There was no blood flow, and the testis has become small in size. So whenever you see this kind of testis, it is a shrunken testis with infarct. Now here, the left side of the testis, it is showing the changes of chronic epididyma orchitis. You will see the thick band which is inside the testis, which is a sign of chronic inflammatory process. This thick band is I think the epididymis which is entering the testicular parenchyma. This epididymis is severely inflamed. Here you see this hyperechoic area, serpengous type. This is the epididymis, hyperechoic, with surrounding hydrocele fluid surrounding the epididymis. There is hydrocele, and this hyperechoic epididymis is the sign of inflammation. And this testis will also will undergo infarct if it is not treated on time. This is the head of the epididymis above this testis, and this is the spermatic cord, hyperechoic with epididymis. It is somewhat difficult to differentiate between the head of the epididymis and the spermatic cord, but this whole area is inflamed and shows sign of inflammation. Vascularity, there is moderate left testis shows mild increase in the vascularity. The meaning of mild increase in vascularity is the color flow that you see here, very minimal color flow, just 5 to 7 dots, 5-10 dots. Normally the testis just show few dots, 1 or 2 sometime, not continuously like this. And this epididymis and the spermatic cord, it is showing increased vascularity. And if we trace further, the spermatic cord, upward, it is quite prominent and thickened and edematous. The vessels inside the spermatic cord are also prominent. We have to check for the hernia also. खांसी खाइए, खांसी खाओ, खांसी खाओ, no any signs of tissues apart from this spermatic cord seeing herniating. Let us see the longitudinal view. This is the spermatic cord. खांसी खाइए, खांसी खाइए. We are going still further upward. खांसी खाइए. Okay, बस. ठीक. Okay, so there is no any hernia.